Hey, what's going on everyone? Some reports for the launch of the successor of OnePlus Nord are surfaced on multiple tech sites. So in this video we'll be talking about the possibilities for the next OnePlus Nord, that is the Nord 2, and what specs could it come with. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik, welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, if you still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. OnePlus Nord 2, or what we can simply call the OnePlus Nord successor, is in the works and according to a report is set to launch in the second quarter of 2021. The new OnePlus Nord phone is rumored to come with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC. This is unlike the original OnePlus Nord and all the earlier OnePlus phones that came with Qualcomm Snapdragon's processors. OnePlus Nord 2, if it debuts officially, will be fourth model in the company's Nord series that comprises OnePlus Nord as well as OnePlus Nord N10 5G and OnePlus Nord N100. Citing people familiar with the development, Android Central reported the launch plans for the OnePlus Nord 2. The presence of MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC on the new OnePlus Nord phone is believed to be considerable hardware upgrade over the original OnePlus Nord that had Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G. MediaTek launched the Dimensity 1200 SoC at its new 5G supporting chipset in January. It comes with 8 processing cores including an ultra-core of ARM Cortex-A78 at the maximum clock speed of 3 GHz. The chipset also includes 9 cores of ARM Mali G77 MC9 GPU and supports a maximum of 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. Further, it supports UFS 3.1 storage. Realme, the sibling of OnePlus that also owned by the same parent company BBK Electronics, was named one of the first smartphone manufacturers to bring a flagship model with the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC. The model is expected to be a part of the rumored Realme X9 series. However, OnePlus' move with the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 seems interesting given the fact that the company has only used Qualcomm Snapdragon chips on its smartphones since its inception back in December 2013. OnePlus brought the original Nord smartphone in July 2020 after some anticipations and a series of teasers. That model debuted specifically in India and Europe and competed against likes of Samsung Galaxy M31s and Google Pixel 4a. In October, OnePlus expanded the Nord series with the launch of OnePlus Nord N10 5G and OnePlus Nord N100 that came to the US market. Alongside OnePlus Nord 2, OnePlus is in the news for working on the OnePlus Nord SE. It could come with an AMOLED display and include 65W fast charging. The OnePlus Nord SE is set to debut sometime in the first quarter, making some space for the OnePlus Nord 2. OnePlus didn't immediately respond to a request for a comment on the plans around OnePlus Nord 2, but hopefully in the coming months we will get something concrete about this and can come to a conclusion. For now, this is just a possibility and you should take this with a pinch of salt. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about the OnePlus Nord 2 in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Sayonara.